On April 26, 1986, the worst nuclear power plant accident in history occurred in Chernobyl, Ukraine. Due to the explosion and subsequent fire, a significant amount of radioactivity was released into the environment. The Chernobyl disaster led to the evacuation of hundreds of thousands of people from the surrounding area. Its effects were felt throughout Europe and beyond, leading to severe environmental contamination. The explosion and resulting fire at the nuclear power plant sent a plume of radioactive material into the atmosphere. The radiation quickly spread throughout Europe and beyond, leaving a trail of radioactive contamination behind it. The radiation affected not only people but also plants, animals, crops, and the environment in general. Chernobyl is a stark reminder of the dangers of nuclear power and serves as a warning sign of its potential consequences. It also highlights the importance of proper safety measures, such as the designation of safe zones. In the aftermath of the disaster, researchers have been focusing their efforts on understanding the full scope of the damage. Some of the long-term effects included increased levels of cancer, birth defects, and cataracts. Other illnesses associated with the explosion include thyroid cancer, leukemia, and other types of cancer. The impact of the Chernobyl explosion is still being felt today, as it continues to affect the environment. It has been estimated that the total cost of cleanup and damages associated with the 1986 explosion is around $500 billion USD. The Chernobyl disaster has had a lasting impact on the safety and reliability of nuclear power plants. In the wake of the accident, many countries have taken steps to improve the safety and security of their nuclear facilities. Some of the measures include strengthening control over operations, introducing stricter safety standards, and conducting regular inspections. Additionally, governments around the world are now focusing on developing renewable energy sources. Nuclear power plants are still in operation in some parts of the world, but the risk associated with them is being taken much more seriously. The accident at Chernobyl serves as a reminder that we must be vigilant in ensuring the safety of nuclear power plants. The accident also showed us the importance of keeping the public informed about the risks associated with nuclear power. It is important to remember the lessons learned from the Chernobyl disaster and work to prevent a similar situation from happening again. Countries should continue to research and develop new and safer technologies that can be used in nuclear power plants. Moreover, governments should continue to educate their citizens about the dangers of nuclear energy and ensure proper safety measures are followed. It is clear that the Chernobyl nuclear disaster had a profound impact on the world and its consequences are still felt today.